Hey, John here, BJ60 Land Cruiser Addict. Thought I would just film this quick video for you guys before the customer picks it up. When you have the 3B engine out, there's a few things that are certainly worth doing. One would be to replace the injector pump diaphragm, which is located behind this cover here, because it's a pain in the neck to do it when the engine's installed. Two would be to replace the block heater if you haven't done that. I replaced the block drain because he had a plug in here, so I got a new block drain. So being that the engine was out, that was also simple to do. Of course, the rear main seal you're going to want to tackle as well. And you can't quite see it, but at the end of the crankshaft, we have the pilot bearing, which the input shaft sits in for the transmission. So that's easy to access at this point as well. So I'd highly recommend tackling those items. The other thing I did on this engine was I installed new injector line clamps because his were in rough shape. So there's a set there and there's a set right there. The other thing I did on this intake manifold, because he is now using a manual glow system, is I removed the temperature probe from here and I just stuck a drain plug in. It looks a little tidier that way. So coming around the other side, the other thing I did was I swapped out the oil filter bracket. He had one that was upside down, which was because this was from a 70s series, I'm pretty sure. So this came from a B series engine and it just bolts right on, same gasket, pattern and everything. So that was also done. So yeah, other than that, just wanted to show you those few things. New water pump. I always paint the water pumps because the paint that they come with is horrible and they always end up looking rusty within a short period of time. I also installed a new water bypass hose, and I use these ABA hose clamps, which are made in Sweden. Really nice hose clamps, so I did that as well. I think that's about it, but yeah, basically I replaced every gasket and seal on this engine, installed a few new parts. There was a bent push rod, replaced that, inspected the cam bearings, inspected the con rod bearings, inspected the crankshaft bearings, installed a new thermostat. Every part I took off, I sandblasted and painted. So there you have it. Hopefully this video helps you when you have your engine out.